Guys, you're welcome to Adorable One. Welcome to my channel. Welcome once again. And good morning to we Nigerians. I'm just coming from all night now. I want to do some things. I want to teach us how to preserve fresh tomato that can last for a longer period of time, like 6 months. Yeah. I have all my ingredients prepared. This is the fresh tomato. I have them so many. This is the soft one. This is the soft one. This is the strong one. I will add both of them to ground. This is my pepper. Let me stand up so you can see. This is my pepper. This is my onions. This is my garlic. And this is my ginger. I'll add them together and ground. See them. Okay. I'll grind them bits by bits because this my grinder is not too big. So I'm going to grind them a bit by bit, a little by little. Need to add a little water. Don't want the water to be too much. Finish grinding the first one. I'll be grinding them little by little. My pot is behind there. That is where you saw me pouring the descent. I kept my pot behind there. See the tomato? There's so many. I'm going to boil it now. The tomato is dry. I'll keep it to cool before I pack it. I'll pack it. After finish packing it. After finish packing the tomato, just add a little groundnut oil and the mouth. Don't make it too much, just to cover the mouth. I'll do something to this because the thing came out too bad for me. Okay, just little oil. Make it to cover the mouth. Then you seal it. Okay, this I'm putting it inside the bottle, inside the pot. Sorry, inside the pot. Then add water to it. Add water. Let it just be at the middle of the pot. Then cover the pot. And you deboil it for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, that's all. Just keep your tomato. It will last for you for 6 months. Whether you put it in the fridge or you don't put it in the fridge. But if you open it, make sure you use it all. If it remains, level the tomato, reboil it again, and keep it. It will last for you as longer period that you want. So see you on my next video.